Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is part time, flexible schedule, no degree is needed. The links, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below. I also have the link to this company's Glassdoor page, but the company Ranker is hiring a data operations assistant. Now, you can either work in their LA office or remote. We are interested in remote. One thing to go ahead and point out, this is only for select states. Those are California, New York, Arizona, Illinois, Texas, Virginia, Washington, and Pennsylvania. But there's so many of you leaving comments that you're looking for part-time work with flexible hours that you can work around the kids, other responsibilities, other jobs. So I didn't want to not share this. But if you live in one of those states, Ranker is looking for detailed-oriented pop culture enthusiasts who have a passion for film, TV, sports, music, video games, or some kind of combination of their. They are looking for somebody to review content for quality regarding copy editing, data accuracy, and integrity, making sure that content does not have any broken links and it is consistent. So you'll be taking the lead on basically cleanup projects, including monitoring and making corrections as necessary. You'll also do a little bit of research on existing lists and items in their system in an effort to improve quality and integrity. You'll make suggestions and improvements that improve the value of the brand. So completely non-phone, just reviewing articles and documentation, correcting any copy editing and grammar mistakes, and making sure the links out to other websites work just perfectly. They don't require any kind of college degree, just somebody who has strong copy editing or research skills, someone who can multitask in a fast-moving environment, someone who has demonstrated passion for solving information puzzles. They say it's a plus if you've previously worked at some kind of website, magazine, newspaper, but it is not required. You do have to have a positive and outgoing attitude. Now, they did not list the salary for the position, and unfortunately, I could not find that exact job title on Glassdoor, but I do have their Glassdoor page linked down below. They have a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. Some of the top comments are people genuinely feel fortunate to work there. And just looking overall at their community managers, content editors, overall salaries, they do seem to pay very well. It looks like their full-time positions pay anywhere from $55,000, $60,000 on the low end up to $90,000 a year. Don't forget, this is a part-time position though. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.